romantic relationship to cut ties with somebody that you care about, but you have to, because it's better to break ties now than to wait and then something very tragic happens, because people have been incarcerated sometimes behind it. Okay, let me write that down. Of course, my pen is not working at the moment. But we have to know our worth, okay? We do. We have to know our worth enough to say, I don't have to take what I have been getting. And that's the most important thing. You don't have to take what we have always, gotten. That's why I put in the chat, because my pen wasn't working when you gave me yours. Sorry about that. That's okay. No problem. I always want to talk about elevation and personal growth, and that we don't have to take what we've always, took. Work on yourself, work on your personal healing, work on your personal growth. And when somebody shows you who they are, when somebody shows you that they're evil, that they're controlling, they're jealous, you see the red flags, whether it's romantic, it's platonic, whether it could even be your sibling, it could be your parents. When somebody is showing you that they're an evil person, you don't have to stick around. You don't have to stay in those relationships. You don't have to continue to talk to them and be close to them. You can pull away. There's a such thing as an emotional detachment. Detach yourself emotionally. You can still love the person, but certain people, you have to love them from afar, because they break you down. They will hurt your feelings. They will do all kinds of things. They'll run over you. They'll try to manipulate you. They'll try to use you like a little puppet to try to control you, to do what they want you to do. And they honestly don't care nothing about you. All they want is to use you and to control you. That's all. Just use you and control you. And when they can't use you anymore, then they will discard you and go on to the next person that they can leech onto. The next person that they control. The next person that they can manipulate. So yeah, when you see that person, thank you so much, Lakeisha, have a great day. When you see somebody and they show you who they are, please believe them the first time, okay? You don't have to take it. You don't have to be their doormat. And especially to all of those who are doing online dating, please be careful. Be careful about meeting up with somebody that you don't know, telling them your personal business, where you work, and please do not send people money. Please, let's stop this and end this. You don't have to send people money because you're lonely and you want to be in a relationship. Don't settle. Don't lower your standards for other people. There's somebody who will love you just like you are, There's somebody right now waiting for you to love you. So don't feel like you have to settle and be something. You don't have to buy their love. You don't have to buy their time. You don't have to put up with their jealousy and their negativity and their controlling ways, their manipulation, their lying, their cheating. You don't. We have way more, going. You have way more going. Respect yourself and love yourself. I'm always going to advocate for personal growth and self-love. Respect yourself and love yourself every day, chat family. I want to let you all know that even when somebody shows up as evil, when they show up as controlling, when they show up as whatever they show up as, believe them the first time. And when you can, please get away from these people. Stop talking to them. Stop telling them your business. Stop, get away from the relationship, because it's not going to help you. It's going to do nothing but hurt you.